Awards will recognize the outstanding performances of our television actors in both primetime and daytime teleseries. We start off with the Daytime TV Drama Actor of the Year because of the record-breaking ratings and outstanding performance of our awardee in the highly acclaimed daytime teleserye, Abot Kamay na Pangarap, as Dr. Robert Tanyag, which won for him several acting nominations and acting trophies. The title of Daytime TV Drama Actor of the Year is given to Richard Yap.
Presenting the trophy for the Millennial Foundation, Miss Winnie Reyes.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. And it's an honor to be here tonight for the Box Office Entertainment Awards. Salamat sa lahat ng pagsuporta sa amin, to all the viewers out there. Kaya umabot kami sa ganito katagal. Alam ko na naiinit kayo ibang tao kasi gusto na nila ma-resolve yung mga nangyayari doon, pero kung i-resolve natin lahat, wala nang kwento. Kaya I hope that you keep on supporting Abot Kamay na Pangarap. I would just like to say that it's an honor to be here among all my peers, mga fellow actors ko na ngayong gabi, especially sa anak ko, si Jillian Ward, kay Pinky Amador, and of course, sa Abot Kamay na Pangarap. And I'd like to thank GMA for trusting us with this project. My managers, Sparkle and Creative Ben, and of course to all the management, staff, and the production of Abot Kamay na Pangarap. Maraming salamat po, especially to the Box Office Entertainment Awards. Maraming salamat.
Now move on to the Daytime TV Drama Actress of the Year. She has touched so many hearts through her portrayal of child genius Dr. Annalise contributed a lot in the consistent high ratings of the teleserye Abot Kamay na Pangarap. Make way for our Daytime TV Drama Actress of the Year, Jillian Ward.
Presenting the trophy for the Millennial Foundation, Miss Jamil Bigyan.
Pasasalamatan ay si Lord. Thank you God sa lahat-lahat. Grabe, sobrang daming blessings. Thank you God, and maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bumubuo sa Box Office Entertainment Awards sa pag-recognize po sa akin bilang isang artista, at pati na rin po sa mga katrabaho ko po sa Abot Kamay na Pangarap, ang aking tatay Richard, and si Miss Pinky Amador, at sa show po namin na Abot Kamay na Pangarap. Thank you so much po sa aking GMA bosses, Mr. Babit, Mr. Dawson, Miss Annette Dawson, Miss Joy Marcelo, and kay Miss Regine Alba na nakarecognize po sa akin bilang isang artista. Siya po actually yung nakadiscover po sa akin simula ng baby po ako. And thank you po kay Miss Ali Dedicatoria and Miss Joy Pili. Medyo kinakabahan po ako, marami nakatingin sa akin. And gusto ko po magpasalamat kay Miss Kim Alpeche, ang aking napakagaling na handler. I love you so much. And of course, thank you po sa aking directors, Direct April Vicencio and Direct L.A. Madrideros. I love you, Direct. And thank you po sa acting coach ko na si Miss Andy Villegas. And bago ko po tapusin ang speech ko, gusto ko po magpasalamat syempre sa family ko, kay Mama, kay Papa, at sa mga kapatid ko po dahil sila po talaga yung buhay ko, sila po yung reason bakit ko ginagawa po ito. And Happy Mother's Day, Mama! I love you so much! I'm so grateful and blessed na nanay kita. And this award is for you and for my late grandmother na si Mommy Ana. And thank you so much po. Thank you!
Next up, our